Hi. Hi, everyone. So I'm the refounder of Zolar. I'm not the original founder of Zolar. Refounder means we've been pivoting the company, and you might have heard the name before, from being an installer, a national installer of PV system for residentials, to now being a software company. We're building a SaaS platform for the true heroes of the green energy revolution, which are the local and regional installers. Those companies, the small and regional installers, are today still responsible to plan, sell, and actually install 80% of all green energy installations, at least in Germany and also throughout Europe. These are regional craftspeople. We found that while we were still a national installer and working with partners, but it's also in the statistics. This market for the small installers is fundamentally shifting right now, as you probably know. Installers are facing the challenge that the PV-only market, or PV and battery market, is stagnating across Europe. And these local and small installers need to diversify their portfolio again. A lot of times, these installers are roofers, electricians, people who know other things, but they've been focusing on PV only. And we're building for them the end-to-end platform for these installers that allows them to access the resources to answer to that challenge and to succeed, to continue to succeed in leading this market. We're doing that by providing a platform where these installers can find business across every of those trades, from PV only to battery to heat pump to roofing to insulation. Everything that's necessary to revolutionize our energy space and decarbonize it. We're giving them a tool to plan those things from end to end in a flexible way, from the very beginning of finding a lead to selling, planning the projects, and actually executing on the installation with their entire team. And we're also giving them tools, because not every installer out there can do everything on their own. We're giving them the tool so that they can plan and manage those processes with partners and subcontractors. We're building that not all on our own. We also believe in partnerships. We're not going to reinvent the wheel for the deep planning tools out there, right? There's better tools for that. There's rooftop planning tools, there's in-roof planning tools, we'll hear about more later. There's all sorts of tools out there that these installers already use that are industry proven, and we integrate them into our platform to make the onboarding frictionless. So we're going to the installers where they are today, and they can immediately start working with our platform. We're running a vertical operating system on an AI-first agentic approach. AI, everybody has AI, right? This unlocks a massive advantage. We're pulling in data from all integrations and from the process planning, and allowing installers to use an agent, also through WhatsApp, but also providing functionality that is AI-based automatically to help the installer become more efficient. We can do that because we pull in all the data from the entire process and not just part of it. One of the things that we just heard in the talk just before, there's 800 regional or local energy grid operators in Germany. Each one has a different PDF form. If you want to sign up, we can automatically fill all those based on AI, just as one example. The flexibility we also derive by being able to adapt to project sizes of various sorts. So from a very simple service process of changing the filter of the HVAC to a multi-technology project where you want to install a PV system, heat pump, whatever else, together with partners. It's easy and flexible, and the installer does not need an IT degree to flexibilize and customize their processes on the go. It's all done on top of the agentic AI system that we've built. In human language, the installer just says what they wanted to happen. As a company, we've launched into a massive market that we've heard a lot about. We believe there's up to 1.7 billion euro opportunity by 2027 in this software space alone for green energy software. We have launched, we started pivoting last year in October, and when we launched the first product, the marketplace, in November, and we started selling the actual flow product in March. Since then, we have reached more than 120 customers on our platform, and we have more than 10% week-over-week growth in our lead marketplace, which is the entry point for all customers into our platform. We're generating our traction with transactional business in the lead marketplace and also in recurring revenues. And we're raising right now 5 million euros to grow this company, to enable the local installers to keep leading that green energy revolution in more markets, meaning more verticals. And we believe we can build a company that is worth 50 million plus by 2028. So if you're interested in that, please reach out. You'll find me. I'll be wearing swag, Zolar swag today and tomorrow as well. Here's a QR code. Connect. Super happy to talk. And let's make sure that the true heroes of the green energy revolution can keep doing their work properly. Thank you.